Welcome. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to create a high converting YouTube thumbnail using Canva. The first step is go to Google and search for Canva. Right now I'm here at Google. Just search on search bar Canva. Just click this one. Now we are here in Canva, and all we have to do is click on create a design. Let's click create a design and click on the YouTube thumbnail. Click the YouTube thumbnail. Now we can see here on the side we have so many options for thumbnail templates, but we will not use that. What we will do is we will create our own thumbnail design. Here you can see the thumbnail templates, but we're not going to use that. Canva has many features such as design, elements, text, brand hub, upload, draw, and apps. The first thing we will do is search here in the elements of the man that is pointed for our background picture. For example here, all we need to do is just drag them on our page. What we are going to do now is we're going to put a frame. For example, we want to put a laptop frame. Just press the elements and search here on the search bar, laptop frame. Scroll down and you see this, you have many options here, but I'm going to use this one. I can drag them on our page and resize them. After that, we will put a picture for our frame. All we have to do is press upload and then choose the picture you want to put in the frame. The next thing we are going to do is we're going to put text. Just press text and find a good font for the text you want. For example here, I want this font and put the text you want. After that, this is the output of the thumbnail we made. It is a high converting thumbnail. I just added an arrow to look better. That's all for our today's tutorial. I hope you liked it. Thank you. Bye.